Did you know that hackers can install keyloggers on your computer that log what you type? Every character that you type, including usernames and passwords to your admin accounts? I'm Brian Longworth, host of A Faster PC Live Technical Support. And coming up next, I'll talk about how our Zero Trust Application Controls Elevation feature can actually protect your computer and your information against this type of attack. If you haven't done so yet, please click the like button, click subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when we release new videos. One of the things, if a hacker gets a hold of your system, one of the things that they do sometimes is install what's called a keylogger. Now, a keylogger, and this is something that even basic hackers, hackers that don't have a lot of skill, they will do this. They'll install a keylogger so that and they'll actually try to create a scenario where you're going to call IT support, and the IT support is going to log in with a username, that admin username and password, to investigate what's going on. They might, for instance, run a program that uses up all of your CPU capacity so that the computer bogs down or runs real slow. Well, what are you going to do? You're going to call IT support if you have IT support. And you're going to get in, they're going to log in, and they're going to actually have that username and password. And if a keylogger is installed on the computer, the hacker then has the key, that username and password for the admin account. So by having this elevation, you never even have to log in with that admin account. By the way, if we did that, if we logged in with a username and password with admin rights, and we also had our privileged access management implemented, where we can change the password right after we logged in, we could actually rotate the password to a brand new complex password, so your account would still be protected. So we have ways to circumvent these hackers and scammers, but you can actually use your account and still be functional with the Zero Trust and the Elevation add-on. You can actually be functional still and not have to worry about, or not have to make your computer less secure by using a username with admin rights, not having to type in your username and password, or even just the inconvenience of having to type in that admin username and password. When we see that prompt in our business, we just right-click on QuickBooks and we launch it with admin rights. And we already have configured where a username that doesn't have admin rights, that program can run with admin rights. And what happens at that point is that program goes ahead and it launches with admin rights. It does what it needs to do, and you're still protected. You haven't had to type the admin password. You haven't had to call IT support even. You haven't had to make your computer less secure by using an account that has admin rights. If you're out there and you're listening, hey, and you really care about being secure, we can actually implement this security for you. By the way, we have businesses that have implemented this security. We implement this security in our own business. We also have people that have home office businesses that have implemented this security. And we have residential, just regular old private individuals that have fallen for some of these scams and want to provide extra layers of protection. They've signed up for our managed services, and they've signed up for our residential cybersecurity, which includes this least privileges and includes this Zero Trust application control and network control. If you're out there and you're interested in implementing any of this, you can give us a call. Our number is 772-878-5978. Again, 772-878-5978. I hope you've liked this video, that you've learned something from it. If you have, please click the like button, click the subscribe button, and also click the bell to be notified when we release new videos. And remember, when you have cybersecurity problems, you need a faster PC.